Hello friends and good morning to all. Today we are going to learn about the type of statement pattern. Okay? So friend, there are total 3 type of statement pattern. That is tautology, contradiction and contingency. Okay? So today in this video we are going to learn about tautology only. Okay? So the definition of tautology is a statement pattern whose truth value is true for all possible combination is called as tautology. Or in simple word you can say that if you had construct a truth table of any statement pattern and if the last column of that statement pattern have all truth value true, then the statement pattern is called as tautology. Okay friends, now let us take some example for more clarity. So friend, you have to given this statement pattern and your question is check either the given statement pattern is tautology or not. Okay, for that purpose draw or construct the truth table. Okay, and in our last video we had discussed some rule for constructing the truth table. So your first rule is read the statement pattern carefully and note down the number of statement. So our statement pattern read as P conditional Q conditional P. Okay. In our statement pattern, 2 statements are present. Okay. So write down that 2 statement. Okay. Now you all know that 2 statements have 4 possibilities. And which are these? Either both the statements are true, either both the statements are false, either first statement is true while second is false, while first is true and second is false. Okay. After writing all the 4 possibilities of 2 statements, now the second rule is if in the statement pattern any negation is given, then solve it. Then solve simple bracket and last square bracket. Okay. So in this statement pattern there is no negation, so solve the simple bracket. So in this statement pattern the simple bracket is Q conditional P, and from the last discussion we have know that in case of conditional statement, if condition is true, condition means first statement, while its result is false, result means second statement, then the total conditional statement become false. म्हणजे साध्या भाषेमध्ये TF असेल तर F घ्यायचं. ओके. नाउ इन दिस ब्रॅकेट Q conditional P is given, means Q is your first statement and P is your second statement. Q P. Okay. TF no, TF no, TF no, TF. Okay. Write down F and in the remaining places write down T. Okay. Now again read the statement pattern, that is P, which are available in our truth table. This Q conditional P means simple bracket, this is also available in our truth table. Now find out total statement pattern, that is P conditional Q conditional P. Okay. P simple bracket. Okay. So check TF no, TF no, TF no, TF no. So write down T in all places. Okay. So friend, if you can observe this truth table and especially if you can observe the last column of truth table, then the last column of truth table have all value T, and because of that this statement pattern is called as tautology. Okay friends, so hope you understood and enjoyed today's portion, and if you really understood and enjoyed today's portion, then I have given some homework for you, so solve it at home and like, share and subscribe this video. So friend, thank you and have a nice day to all.